Neon, the futuristic streaming service, has been making waves in the entertainment industry. With its sleek interface, exclusive content, and innovative features, it's no wonder that it's garnered a lot of attention. But just how many people have actually subscribed to this cutting-edge platform? Unfortunately, Neon doesn't publicly disclose its exact subscriber count. This is a common practice among many streaming services, as they often prefer to keep their user data confidential. However, we can still make some educated guesses based on various factors. Factors affecting Neon's subscriber count. Exclusive content. Neon's library of exclusive shows and movies is a major draw for potential subscribers. However, the appeal of this content can vary widely depending on individual preferences. Pricing. The cost of a Neon subscription is a significant factor. If the price is too high, it could deter potential subscribers, especially in competitive markets. Marketing and promotion. Neon's marketing campaigns and promotional strategies play a crucial role in attracting new subscribers. Effective marketing can significantly boost the platform's user base. User experience. The overall user experience, including the app's interface, streaming quality, and customer support, can influence subscriber retention and acquisition. Estimating the subscriber count. While we can't pinpoint an exact number, we can look at industry trends and expert opinions to get a rough estimate. Some analysts believe that Neon has a subscriber base in the millions, but it's important to note that this is just speculation. The future of Neon, despite the lack of concrete data, it's clear that Neon has the potential to become a major player in the streaming industry. With its focus on innovation and high-quality content, the platform is well-positioned to attract a growing number of subscribers. So, while we may not know the exact number of Neon subscribers, we can be confident that the platform is gaining traction and making a significant impact on the entertainment landscape. As Neon continues to evolve and expand its offerings, we can expect to see its subscriber base grow even further. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.